battle summons from Rewaras. To death the heart of Nailagolaba rise. A den of battle-hardened warriors and seers. Wars far and wide, we cross mountains and rivers. Should you question, come ask that old man in the village. To our Koro Makawa, he'll take you to the ruins of a mighty people. As far as our eyes see the skies, to all our Kanban in Dumbula Bida. This is my home, the one I died for. A place where death lingers by the door. Kuku, my pride, I'll declare with a roar. Over the tide level skies we saw highlanders by blood. Berata we got Rokotu Indreketis was we march. Why ni toluna yasana Mokumaro. Battle cries ring like thunder. As you walk in the ancient ruins of the village, four dried up wide moats as deep as the river. It is a maze of grand architectural design, a structure ahead of its time, built by brilliant military mind. In its prime it was a living oasis. Water canals, halls and death braces, a berm with hidden pathways and a port that canoes grace. In antiquity, it was a fortress that can outlast sieges, the home of the boogeyman of old, bold and fierce. This is my home, the one I died for. A place where death lingers by the door. Kuku, my pride, pride I'll declare with a roar. Over the tide level skies we saw highlanders by blood. Berata we got Rokotu Indreketis was we march. Why ni toluna yasana Mokumaro. Battle cries ring like thunder. From the heart of Rara, this anthem we bring. Four villages woven into one. Thick is the blood that flows through us. Nakelo causes konakia. The one set apart and feared. Mburetu greets us konainga. Warriors of stealth like a falling star. Eels we are now as we were then. Our people's symbol since time began. Silent in the dark, from the deep we strike. We live where no one else survives. When the waters rise, others are alarmed. Nito Hundra can go in Bandamu ride the flood. A place where death lingers by the door. Kuku, my pride, I'll declare with a roar. Over the tide level skies we saw highlanders by blood. Verata we got Rokotu Indreketis wars we march. Why ni toluna yasana Mokumaro. Battle cries ring like thunder. This is my home, the one I died for. declare with a roar. Over the tide-level skies we saw Highlanders by blood, Verata we got Roko to Indreketis wars we march. Wai ni toluna yasana Mokumaro, battle cries ring like thunder.